All right, guys, in this Texit coin update, we are going to go over what's in it for you. You guys, as investors that are interested in getting in it, and we're going to share what they're sharing with you. We're going to share some clarity on what they're sharing with you, and we're going to share what they're not sharing with you. And then we're also going to get into where your investment is going when you invest in Texas Coin. So let's start it off with what they have on their website. They say, what's in it for you? They give 3 points here, guys. You get unlimited Texas Coin, this TXC token. You get 1, 2 free. So you refer 3 people and you get extra hash power and you get unlimited binary in this multi-level marketing structure to where you get benefits from your downline and people under you can refer other people and you'll get some of that. Now, let's break this down into what it really means. These are the best options that they gave. They say, what's in it for you for your $1,000 or more? This is what you get, guys. Again, for your $1,000, you're going to get unlimited TXC. All right. Once your enrollment is complete, freshly minted TXC is freshly minted. Like that's supposed to be something new. Like, is it fresh as opposed to stale? Right? I mean, it's just TXC. Freshly minted TXC is paid out to your wallet 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days. No middleman, commission manager, or delays. It's actually paid out once a day, I think, isn't it? But anyway, it comes directly to you. Now, let's talk about this Texas coin because you pay $1,000 and this is the benefit you get. Actually, let's jump over to these other two benefits because you got to work for these benefits. Essentially, in this one here, it says 1, 2 free. Share your experience with friends and family. Guys, in this one here, this is not what's in it for you. This is what's in it for Texit coin. So essentially, in this option here, they're saying, hey, you get the opportunity to work for us. You join us and we're going to take your money and then we're going to have you go out and refer other people so we can take their money. And we'll give you a little small bit of what we take from them. But essentially what they're saying here, guys, you get 1, 2 free, but come work for us. Spend your time, resources, get your family members in, whether it's good or bad, get them in because we want your money and we want their money. So with this, come work for us. With this one here, this limitless binary. Again, this is one and the same with this, guys. Come work for us. Build your team. Recruit other people into the system because if you don't recruit, this system is going to go to zero. It's not going to have resources to support the price. It's not going to have resources to continue to build the mine. Everything is based on recruitment fees. It's almost like a Ponzi, guys. It's a multi-level marketing strategy. And at the end of the day, 40% of the money coming in is going in the pockets of recruiters. So if you are not a good recruiter yourself, then you are going to be losing out in this investment. Also, when it comes to building your team, understand, guys, that there's an automated referral system that can benefit you and the team members under you. So if someone dares come to you with Texit Coin trying to get you to join and they're not using that, then I would say don't even join with them because they are not supporting you in growing your position at all. Okay. So truly, guys, the only benefit here, we could scratch this one out because you're working for them. Scratch this one out because you're working for them. The only benefit is getting unlimited TXC. Now, what is unlimited? Well, guys, unfortunately, they say it's going to be 130 years every day for 130 years, but unfortunately, Texacoin probably won't be around for that long, and they probably won't last throughout 2026. So I guess you'll get unlimited up until the end of 2026, maybe 2027. But when you consider what this unlimited is, guys, it is coming to you in very, very small amounts. You are getting less than zero point 0.5 TXC a day. Not only that, but the price of the token is continuing to decrease. So you are purchasing essentially or getting an unlimited supply, very small amount of a depreciating asset. Furthermore, as more miners come into this system and start buying miners, you get even less. So you might be getting 0.5%, 0.5 Texit coin today. You'll get 0.45 tomorrow and zero point 0.4 the next day and 0.01 eventually, right? So it's going to continue to decrease over the course of time. So while they're boasting unlimited TXC, guys, okay, call it what you want to. It's going to take you 2 years minimum to get a return on your investment. And because of that, guys, there are other opportunities that you can invest in. You can invest in some stock and not have to worry about your money being tied up for 2 years. You can invest in a cryptocurrency directly, not worry about your money being caught up for 2 years. Okay. So is this a good investment, guys? Absolutely not. This is the top that they can offer you guys. Two of them are completely trash, and the first one here is right behind trash, right? I mean, guys, understand what it is that you're investing in right here, okay? Now, let's get into where your money is going when you actually do make that investment, okay? When we're talking about this, we're going to first talk about where that money is not going. Because in the previous video that I released here, let me pull up this video. In this video here, I kind of highlight what Bobby said about liquidity. All the money is gone of the liquidity, right? Now, in this path of 16, he's saying that uh, this liquidity is required to support the price. Well, we see the price is around $2 and some change now, but he's saying that there's nothing to support the price. So we know, hey, your investment ain't going there, or just a small percentage is. But he's still sitting on all of these assets, like 12 million in assets. Okay, so let's break down and understand is not going toward liquidity, or let's say 7%, because I think he has a nice little breakdown here on where the money's going. Right here. Okay, use of funds. Out of all the money coming in, 7%, guys, just 7% is going toward liquidity to help support the price. Okay, so that's where some of where your money is going, and this is beneficial. I've recommended it in the past. This needs to increase significantly, but nobody listens to Mystify, and Mystify don't care because I'm not invested in this garbage. All right, but the main thing your investment is going in is recruitment. 40%, a little over 40%, guys, of your investment is going into the pockets of recruiters. Now think about this, guys. Think. You are paying $1,000. 400 plus of those dollars are just going into the pocket of somebody else for bringing you in. You have no choice, no say so, or anything about that. Now think about the asset that you're investing in or the project that you're investing in. If the project or the asset is really worth $1,000, why are you paying a premium of $400 to go into the pocket of someone else just to participate? So we could wipe out that $400 and say, hey, well, technically, I should be buying in at a $600 or less price point. Well, that would be beneficial to you because it wouldn't take as long to get a return on your investment. So, guys, we understand that 40% of what you are investing in is going into the pockets of recruiters. The second thing where the money is going is to enrich the founder's estate. We're talking about Bobby Gray. He's using this money to do with whatever he chooses. And indeed, as I just referenced, all of the money in the liquidity should have been spent up based on what he said. However, check this out, guys, because this is very revealing. He's still sitting on $12 million, and you can check these links in this path to 16. He's sitting on $12 million in money that should have been allocated toward liquidity to support the price. Instead, he is owning these assets with them in his name, and of course, he owns this gold and these cryptocurrency private keys as well. So he's sitting on $12 million, sitting fat and happy off of your money. You are enriching Bobby Gray's estate. Okay. What else is he doing with the money? Whatever he wants to. And let me show you guys something, because someone left me a comment on this video here that I found to be really interesting. So Austin, big shout out to Austin Smith here for dropping me this. He said there's a new update, so he sends me this link here. Let's check it out, guys.
Understand the difference between permissioned and decentralized. We've got nodes now scattered across homes all over the state of Texas, and tens of thousands more coming soon. We're building the mine. But best of all, guys, I now have the money, the capital to get the job done, to implement the layer 2, to get the community currencies going. Capital that we've never had in the past. How much money do I have? I have enough to get the job done 100 times over.
Did you guys hear that? He has the money. Notice he didn't say we. He said, I have the money. I have the money to do this. I have the money to do that. I got the money 100 times over. Yet, he's using none of that money for supporting the price, which is going to support you guys as end investors. He's already lied about these things, guys. He's already lied about Texit Raider threatening him, giving him death threats. He's already deceiving you guys in so many ways. What makes you think he's going to take the millions extra, the hundreds times over of assets that he's sitting on and not put them in his pocket? Will he do something to help support Texit Coin? Of course, it's his system, and he's going to try to grow his system as much as he can so he can extract as much as he can from it. But you guys as investors are going to be on the losing end, because while he's making thousands of dollars, you are literally making pennies. And you are the very ones that are funding this project. If you're looking at this video and you're considering investing in Texit Coin and you invest in it, hey, someone mentioned the word stupid in some of my previous comments. I'd just be like, hey, you stupid. You have no clue on what's going on with crypto, with this project, or with Bobby Gray. Okay. Now, that's not all, because the money that you invest is going somewhere else as well. Not in your pocket, but in others. And that would be the whales. Look at this, guys. You still have whales sitting on a lot of TXC, okay? And I want to show you something here. Now I did a snapshot, so this is as of December the 8th, guys. And this one here is as of today, so I just did a refresh on this. And we see that whales will be whales, and they continue to grow their stash. I want you to look at this. This is the before right here. This is a clip of the after. And let's look at, what is it? This is interesting. This wallet here, this one, D7N5T, $635,000. Right here, $636,000. Okay, let's look at this transaction a little bit more and see what's going on in this wallet, right? Look at this, guys. Whoever this wallet belongs to, they are earning or receiving over 100, about 150 plus Texit coin every single day, while you buying in, spending your $1,000 or getting less than zero point 0.5 Texit coin a day. This is where your capital is going to be going, guys. It's going into Bobby Gray's estate. It's going into the pockets of the recruiters. It's going into whatever Bobby chooses to do with Texit coin, whether he puts it in the system itself, buys miners, or puts it in his own pocket, and is going to the whales. All of you guys that are entering into Texit coin are numbers. They want your money and nothing else. They don't care if you succeed or not in this space. You are just a number for them, and they're giving you a hope and somewhat of a promise, and they try to get over it with like, hey, it's not guaranteed, and risk. No, bruh. You're already sitting on over $100 million that you've received, and you can't even get your platform operating and generating its own revenue with the $140 million that you've already received. You're still looking to recruit other people to fill your pockets, enrich your family, enrich your friends, enrich those that are dedicated to bringing in more dumb money into your ecosystem. So, guys, that's the deal with Texit Coin. So if you want to continue to invest in it, by all means, enjoy and hit me up or drop a comment in my video either now or in the next couple years, and you're going to be like everybody else on every other project that I've shared with you guys and be like, dang, Mr. Fi, you were right. I should have heeded your warning. I'm sorry, bro. All right, but I'm sorry. I'm sorry that people like Bobby Gray are running around on this earth deceiving you guys. But it is what it is, and we will holler on the next one. Peace out. Hey guys, if you're interested in investing in Texit coin mining and your sponsor is giving you a link that goes directly to this page, then you can be missing out on some great opportunities because the affiliate program has a 1-2 free sponsorship through which if you invite 3 other people, then you will receive an additional 100 mega hash. Since your sponsor or your influencer is persuading you to get in, once you get in, they can give you a link that comes to a site like this, which uses our auto referral program. What this does is adds your affiliate ID to a rotation of affiliate IDs that your sponsor advertises so that they are able to benefit from their downlines and you are able to benefit from their work, thus receiving up to 3 direct referrals, which will give you that 1-2 free sponsorship of 100 mega hash. So if you're not using this particular page to enter into that Texit coin mining, then you are losing out because this ID here will change with each display. Okay. If your sponsor is not aware of this, I recommend that you make them aware of it. And if you need more information, I will leave a link in the description to the full post talking about the benefits of this auto referral system. If you're just a user and signing up under a sponsor, then this will give you all of the information on how it benefits you. If your sponsor wants to participate and acquire one of our team builder accounts so that they can benefit you and themselves simultaneously, send them over to this link and they will be able to submit their information from here and get a team builder account.